How to make a pie chart in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Word document. Open a blank document. After that, go to Insert. And now, you will see an option of chart. Go over there. Then, select pie chart. You will get several options like 3D, pie of a pie, then bar of pie, and a donut. So select the one that you think is most suitable for you and then simply select OK. And now as you can see, a pie is inserted over here. All you have to do is insert the values like this, and just like this it will be converted as per the data that you insert.